it's Josh here at Jordanbikes in Leeds, and today we've got this 2015 Yamaha R1. It is a bike that we've sold in the showroom, so the guy who bought it has wanted it mapping. So it is fitted with a decap and a lovely Pipeworks end cap. It was running pretty bad before, just all over the place as you can imagine with it in a decap. So we're going to do the final run now, and then we'll talk about everything that we've achieved. We had 174.4 brake horsepower. You can see the red line. Just like sort of over 5.5 to 7,000 revs. Just slightly hesitant, which most of these bikes do when they come from the factory. So we've sorted the fueling out, as you can see here. We're just running too lean and then too rich through the top end. So we've sorted all that out. Really worked on the electronic throttle, which is really bad on these bikes. So I've mapped a couple of modes, so it makes just the rideability just so much better. Low down, top end, mid range as well. We've taken the restrictions out of the ignition map and made that a lot better as well. And we have got a figure of 189.9, so round about 16 brake horsepower increase. That is more or less sort of mid range, top end. Bottom end wise, it's gained 10 horsepower, as you can see there. The red is before and the blue is now, so yeah, 174.4 to 189.9, so yeah, just shy of 190 brake horsepower, so yeah, just be a lot better to ride, just as it's supposed to be as it left the factory. But yeah, a brilliant result. So yeah, if you want yours in, please give us a call.